Hey, Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we've got a really good bargain here. This is a leftover 2019, highly reduced 2140 Sport from NauticStar. This boat is extremely stable. It takes you up into the small creeks, sloughs, bayous, finds the fish for you. You can get up in real skinny water, only draws less than a foot. It's 21 feet overall, 92 inches wide. Comes with an optional trailer. We can fix that up for you any way you like. Nice boarding ladder. This thing is powered by the quiet 4-stroke. You can sneak up on the fish, 150, which is the maximum horsepower. It's a great boat. Let's go up top and look and see what all the features it's got up there. Hey, now we're aboard 2140 Sport by NauticStar, and we have nice stainless steel instrumentation up here. We got nice stainless steel helm wheel, all your stainless steel switches, nice analog gauges. This boat's equipped with the SIMRAD, bottom machine, GPS combo that'll find your fish and get you on location. Nice sturdy leaning post here with plenty of room for your cooler, and a nice casting platform up here with a built-in cooler and our fish box here. Nice jump seats, take your crew nice and comfortable as you're getting into the creeks. Under your console here, you got plenty of room for your batteries. This boat is equipped, already pre-wired for your trolling motor. We'll be glad to take care of that for you. As we come forward, it's got 16 rod holders. You've got 5 lockable per side. You got 3 on the console itself. 27-gallon live well here under your front jump seat. You got a 30-gallon fish box here, anchor, plenty of casting platform up here. Just ask that you come see all of our inventory. You can look at the links below, subscribe. We update it regularly. I'm Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida, 850-308-1713. Thank you.